This is what I'm doing today. We're under this excavator, cleaning out a lagoon at the Joe Soros Dairy. As you can see, we got Manny on the excavator, filling up the trucks. Get filled up, take it to the field, we dump our load, come back, do it again. Cleaning out these dairies, putting that nitrogen back into the soil so they can grow their crops, so they can feed their cows, so that we can do it again. We do it again and again. Same dairies, same fields. It's a pretty good job, to be honest. When we do it, the hours are long, but we get a couple months off in the hottest part of the summer and the coldest part of the winter. So, can't beat it really. I enjoy it. Get to use these big machines. Just typical guy stuff, typical big boy stuff, you know. Can't ask for a better job. Spreading shit. Never would have thought it.